good morning. How are you guys? I hope you had a good morning. You have a good sleep and feel fresh. Ayun, ito yung morning natin guys. Feel fresh na tayo. So, ito ang routine natin every morning. Of course, ang beauty natin, hindi mapaiwan. Ang kilay natin guys. Ayun, kilay is life talaga tayo always. So, yun guys. Yun lang ang early routine natin every morning. Ayun, habang nagko-coffee tayo guys. Ayun guys, coffee, mainit pa. Maaso-aso pa guys. Sarap naman. Ang sarap naman. So, kumusta kayo guys? So, going to apply din lipstick, a little lipstick so that not very light. Hindi naman ang lips ko guys. Hindi naman siya dark. So, nakikita niyo guys, yan. So, lagyan ko na lang din guys. Lagyan na lang din natin ng lipstick para may kakulay-kulay naman din. Para alive din tayo tingnan guys, o diba? Yun. Ayun, diba? Alive na siya guys. Ayun guys, as you can see, so may colorful na tayo. Kulang lang natin blush on. Charot. parang lang din guys, tulad dati yung ako ba na let's have coffee guys, yung parang tulad dati yung magpunta tayo sa work ba every morning. So, kailangan aalis ka ng bahay, kumpleto ka na, may kilay ka na.